Here we have a 2017 Peugeot Partner. It's coming for a service. One of the more fiddly jobs is to do the cabin filter, which on this is on the driver's side. Now, it's supposed to be really awkward, but if you take this cowling off, which just actually pops off on some clips, so just give that a tug. Little bottom panel under here, which I only just clicked back on, but it's now decided to get stuck on. So I pushed it back in the wrong way. You get the idea. That's only held in with these three little clips, little screwdriver in there, pop that bit out. Now this is where it gets a little bit awkward, because you've got to get this air duct cowling off, but rather than struggling, just take the bottom steering column cowl off. And then, nice big hole, and you can get to this. And there's a tag in here, which you just need to squeeze and pull out. Give that a little jiggle. That drops out. Then, you've got plenty of room to get in there. That black little cover you can see. You just pull the bottom, pings out, and then you probably can't see very well. There you go. There's the two little filters. Comes in two halves. Just pull the tag. I mean, I've already done this, cheated, so I knew what the job was like. Slide that one out. Then there's another one underneath it, which lifts and slides. Put them back in the same reverse order. Pop this clip back on. And like I say, the trick to this, take this steering column cowling off. Makes it a lot easier.